But I realize in this world, there's no love but hate. Lies turn into mistakes. People put out as bait. Minds are programmed set for corruption. Eyes are blinded, hearts are darkened. Deceived by the lies, they don't understand why. And God we trust is stated on currency. But no love being produced, it's time to face reality. We need to step up, wake up. It's time for a checkup. For us to find out who we are. If we want them to respect us. We've been speaking about change. But who is ready to rearrange the lifestyle of the man in the mirror? Subtract this terror to see who we are much clearer. Take a look. We are looked on as inferior. Placed on the beneath. Treated by the security as if we are no quality. Be quiet. That's what they're telling me. Afraid of being exposed. They hard knows that it will cost them their J-O-B. It's no time to refrain. It's time to gain. Come on. Our brothers and sisters are being slain. The words manipulating the mind of those who lack knowledge, making them think too much about the dollar or how much you got in your wallet. Too much fortune and fame, our people in chains, physically, mentally, and spiritually. It's time to wake up to our true identity, because we all got a part to play back in the community. We need to step up and continue to fight for equality and take control of our minds and move on to prosperity. Too many lies are being spoken. It's time for our minds to open, speak the truth, and expose on this world and what's really going on, of the snares and traps that are being put before us, only to destroy us. No more time to set back, no more time to lay back, cease violence and replace that with the love that's going to help us build our new habitat. So how do you feel? How do you take this? It's only one real way to respond, and that's to step up and remake this with tools that produce motivation, striving for this change with the heart screaming determination. Make your blueprint and build a solid foundation. Allow not the enemy to come along and try to take it. Keep your head up high. Call it facelift. It's going to take all of us to come together and take care of this. Natural born leaders, it's here is in our blood to take over the nation from the strength above. So if you're really trying to make a difference, incline your hearts to listen. All the people have been broken, and it's up to us to step up and fix it.
That's real.